That's so cool.
Yeah. No, just for me. It's awesome, girl. Okay.
That's so cool.
I know it's so cool, but I'm tired of it.
It's still going.
Can I get a monster truck like that? Not like those regular toys. I think like the big one.
That's so cool.
Car like that. A little car. Thanks. What?
What's that? That's badass.
You have a little monster truck like that?